Hi, welcome back to my Reno Computer Tutor YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to look at how to create AutoText objects. AutoText is an example or part of the Microsoft Office 365 building blocks features. On the ribbon, if you were to click on the Insert tab, you would find a lot of different things that you can just insert without having to type anything, such as cover pages. If you're publishing a end-of-year report or something, you might want to use one of the built-in cover pages so that you don't have to create all the formatting. You can also insert headers and footers. On the far right-hand side of the Insert tab is where I find the header footer tool group, and there are a bunch of preset built-in headers. There's also some built-in footers, one of which is not built-in. It's one that I added that I use regularly when I'm creating a workbook. So I'll click on the workbook footer to show you how that building block was inserted into my document, and I didn't have to type out the email address. I didn't have to type out the phone number or insert the page number or format it with the horizontal line above the paragraph, because it's all part of the building block that is in the footer library. Okay, so I'll show you how to create one of those. Headers and footers, cover pages, back to the Insert tab, text boxes. These are all examples of built-in building blocks, and they're categorized. There's also, listed under the Quick Parts tool group, a AutoText. Some of them are built in on my list, some of them came with Word, and yet others are items that I've added. I've added my signature. It's an image of my signature. All I have to do is click on it. Well, here, I'll add the signature block to begin with. And then I'll put my cursor where I want my signature to show up. And then I'd go back to my AutoText and find the actual image of the signature and click. And it plugs it in. So there are examples of how to use AutoText. How to create your own building block saved as a header or footer or a text box or a cover page or a text box. The method is the same regardless of what the end result is going to be. All right, so I'm going to create a AutoText entry. AutoText can be an object, it can be text. If it's text, it can be up to 255 characters. All right, so the steps are: 1, select whatever it is you want to add to the building blocks library. When you have the item selected, you're going to go up to the ribbon. You're going to be on the Insert tab, and over on the right-hand side, you're going to be in the Text tool group where you find Quick Parts. On the Quick Parts menu, at the bottom, you find the option that says Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. You click on that. You give your object a name. This is the Seal of Nevada. And I'm going to choose the gallery. Don't miss this part. Don't skip this part. Make sure you put your object in the gallery in which it belongs. This I'm going to put in AutoText. And I'm going to give it a description. Seal of Nevada, 1 inch. Okay. So I've given it a name. I've made sure that I've put it in the appropriate gallery, and I've given it a description. Then I hit OK. And that object has now been added to the Quick Parts gallery. And as an AutoText, when I go to Quick Parts, under AutoText, all of the objects are going to be listed alphabetically. So Seal of Nevada is near the bottom. When I click on it, or actually when I just hover the mouse pointer over it, you'll see the description, Seal of Nevada, 1 inch. When I click, it plugs it in. And there you have it. That is how to create AutoText options, which are building blocks. If you'd like some help creating your own, you can reach out. My email is in the video description. It's also on the YouTube channel contact information page. reach out. I'll help you. Thanks. Have a great day.